welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video is about night skincare routine. So when I say it's night skincare routine, it is really tough, man, because you're tired, you're coming late, or you're partying, and then the least thing you want to do in your life is skincare routine, right? So that's not going to happen most of the time, but I take some time to do this. But when I'm sad, when I'm upset, definitely I can't. I don't say that without skipping, without even if I'm not having food or not, but sure I'll do the skincare. No, I don't say all that. But sure, I do wash my face. When I wash my face, at least only one product goes to my face. Otherwise, very next day morning, I can see it's really looking bad. So that makes me go into the guilt. So yeah, sad, upset comes and goes, but the skin, if you spoil it, definitely you can't get it back. At least for few days, next few days, it takes a lot of time. So a couple of products right now I'm using. The current skincare routine la vandu na add pannirukra products vandu idhula na edutittu vandiruken. So I'll show you what are the products I use. For the first and foremost, yes, do you all know that washing the face is so important when you go out and come back. And right now I'm using Salicylic DS Cipla brand face wash. Once I use that, then I dry the skin using the towel, or most of the time it's tissue. I don't use harsh towel on my face. After that, what I use, there are a couple of products. I don't know what are the products I am going to show you, but it's not only the night cream, but there are a couple of serums which goes onto my skin. There are 3 products which are in my hand. So I don't want to talk about retinol, night cream. There are like so many complicated names in this skincare routine, right? So let me not get into deep. I want my skincare routine to be very simple. I have taken little knowledge from the doctors saying you should use peptide when when you are getting old, of course. So this peptide. Yes, I do use peptide cream. It's a peptide therapy intense repair gel from Chosen. This is my favorite product. This is my 3rd bottle because this gives the nourishing feel when I get up in the morning. So of course I use this. And there's another product which is from Skinopuff Niacinamide 10%. It's an acetone acid booster. What I do is either peptide or this niacinamide. Either one of this goes into my skin. One day this, one day this, one day this, and one day I use this. So alternate day I use. But this is little kind of sticky. When I apply to my skin, it feels like kind of okay, something is there on the skin. But yeah, it has to work on my skin. I have to use this product, right? So I'm using this. This was referred by Dr. Aishwarya Mukundan from Chennai, and this was referred by Dr. Renita again from Chennai. So both of the products, either this or this, I use every night after I wash my face. And then under eye cream, recently I was in airport, and then I thought I'll buy some eye cream before doing makeup. I really need, because I have dark circles. Now it's not visible, but yes, I have dark circle, and it's too dry. I get this crease and all. So I thought I'll buy some products for my under eye, and then I was checking, and then I was like rejecting couple of, and then finally the guy who was selling the product, who is from Estée Lauder, he really impressed me by talking, and then he told buy Estée Lauder eye cream, which are like minis. I have big box, like this much of box, and then he gave me this in free. So freebies are really good, right? For traveling, this is a very cute box, and also the product is working on me, because every night I apply it and I sleep. Next day morning I can see the difference. The darkness has reduced. If I'm not using, of course it's again looking very dried and dark and all that, but when I'm using this, my under eye is looking good. To be frank, it's looking good. It's quite costly. I've spent 5,700 or 5,800, but this is not the box. This is the box which I made to open. This is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream. This is again gel paste, but showing it is a very small cutie box which I carry everywhere. I am really liking it. It's from Estee Lauder. And the night cream, I have two options. The two options are from Evan Physio Lift Night Rejuvenating Balm. It's called balm. The packaging, I'm not a fan of this packaging because it's easily get dried, and I know when I pump it, it doesn't come out. So I opened it yesterday night. Basically, I bought this for my mother, but she didn't use it. She was keeping here and there. It's getting expired, but I love the smell of this product. I started using it, and yeah, this very long back I was using, and I referred it to my mother, and now it's okay. She's not using, I'm using. Currently I'm using Evan Night Balm, night cream, or else I know seeing a lot of people raving about this product, Dot & Key Skincare Kika Niacinamide Oil Free Moisturizer. This is also I'm using in the night. I'm not referring to you guys, but since I bought it, I'm using it. Otherwise, my favorite is Acosma Night Cream, which it's over. The bottle is heavier, I can't carry that, but the product, it's so good. I love it. So the night cream, the night moisturizer, yes, I do use these products. Huge fan of lip balms. I try every brand, you know, from here to here, Sebamed to whatever doctor suggested, and wherever I see, whenever I go to abroad, I keep buying lip balms and, you know, keep using them. Some of are good, some of are bad. So this is one of the product, RAS, Ras Deep Nourishing Calendula and Shea Butter Balm for lips. That is what I am using now. It's also heavy, very heavy side. It looks very thick also, but I have to use it. Actually, it's nice, man. It's daytime I use, nighttime I use Laneige lip balm. Without Laneige lip balm, I can't sleep. Or any other lip balm also. Without lip balm, I can't sleep because I'm so used to it since 2 decades. 2 decades, can you believe? I have a cutie story about it. When I started using lip balms, that was prepared by my grandmother. She was preparing it using wax, honey wax, coconut oil, mixing it, some magic she used to do, and you know, she used to send me the box where you can use for lips, hands, wherever the cracks are there for the food. Yes, so I started using lip balm since then, since my middle school, I think, yeah. And then no turning back. Without lip balm I can't sleep. And then after she passed away, I still had 2 bottles of whatever the balm she prepared and she gave me. I used it for another 2 years, and then she passed away, and then another 2 years also over, and the cream's done, and I tried doing it. My mother tried doing that recipe. It didn't come. That consistency was not as she used to prepare it. I really miss her, and I really miss that lip balm too. But later I started trying all sort of lip balms, and I was not happy with certain balms. They're little watery or gel which comes like here and all, or it is thick like Ras. So finally Laneige was good, you know, Laneige was handy, Laneige was good, so I started using them. Now I don't have in my hand, but yes, night I use Laneige lip balm. And for by the doctor, this is the bottle, which is similar to the face cream, you know. You can, I just apply it to my skin, and then yeah, it's like this. This is the hand cream I use every day night before I sleep. Since childhood I'm in front of the camera, in front of the light. Since then I'm very sensitive, and my eyes are like burning, blinking, watery and all these things. So what to do? I use my power glass, not because I can't see anything. It's not that. I get headache, I can't see harsh light, I can't go under the sun and all that. I'm very sensitive in that. So it was getting too much, you know. I was I was not able to open up my eyes and be stable like this. It's still blinking. I don't know why, what is the issue. So doctor said sleep well, and also he had given me this eye drop which is from Requivisc something. Requivisc. This is the eye drop I'm using nowadays, and this is also part of my night care routine. After putting 2 drops on my eyes, I just shut my eyes. I don't see phone, or I don't do anything after that. This is the last and least thing which I apply on my face, eyes and things. Yeah. So this is the night care routine, guys. Whatever I'm using right now, the current, it keeps changing, and also according to the weather it keeps changing. So yes, I'm so happy that I'm showing all my skincare routines in front of you all. I hope you like it, and those who are not subscribed to my channel, to subscribe and let me know in comment section that what is the next video you want to see in my channel, so that I'm happy to do it in my room and with my comfort zone, and if I like it, I definitely do. And this is Nandita Shweta signing off. Real to real.